Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new A5 Avant Launch Edition S-Tronic, finished in the modern Daytona Grey paintwork. This brand new model comes with a 2-litre TDI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include these bright matrix LED headlights for great visibility, which is paired with dynamic indicators, in addition to a sporty shaped bonnet, large 19-inch alloy wheels, aluminium roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, beautifully flush door handles, sleek A5 badging, and front and rear parking cameras paired with front and rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 448-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. This A5 Avant comes with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system, along with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for that extra touch of luxury. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, along with a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and convenient rear climate control, along with 2 USB-C charging ports. Additionally, there is a pull-up sunshade screen located within the rear windows for that ultimate rear passenger comfort. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottomed and flat-topped heated leather steering wheel, complemented with a large central, high-resolution 14.5-inch OLED touchscreen colour display and S-embossed front full leather heated sport seats. On the driver door, you'll find a glossy black control panel where you can access mirrors, windows and headlight adjustment. In front of you, you will find your cockpit and central touch display beautifully connected within one display screen. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and navigation all right in front of you. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. The central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting's brightness and colours to set the mood. You can also access the reversing and 360-degree camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Continuing along the dash, the passenger will also find their own personal screen where they can access similar features right in front of them. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless charging pad, central cup holders, and a central armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.